अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं प्रोफेसर खलील अहमद भुट्टा। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द टॉपिक expository writing. Expository word is very clear in its word. When we analyze this word, we got a word expose. We got a word expose. Expose means to reveal something, to describe something, to lay down something about a topic. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि एक्सपोजिटरी राइटिंग में any piece of writing that is used to describe, to explain, to give information or to inform the other people. Basically इसकी जो types हैं that are called essays. The types of expository writings are mostly the essays. And what are the essays you have read about in your intermediate second year class? There are so many modern essays. Like the first modern essay was The Dying Sun. The second was using the scientific method, in which we got information about scientific method. Now today you have learned about so many scientific methods from that lesson. That gives us a proper elaboration, explanation about scientific knowledge. Science in which we have learned about sanitation, city and plural life, even the superstitious misconception of people in our society. In that essay, we have learned so many things. Another essay you can learn, you have read in your second year class, dear students, why boys fail in the college. Dear students, the writer of this essay explains the 6 types of students who got admission in schools but do not try to work hard to pass their examination. First of all, before reading that topic, इस topic को पढ़ने से पहले we have a little bit idea about why boys fail in college. But after reading, we learn that there are 6 types, 6 reasons that explains the failure of student, the causes of failure of students in college life. So students, the basic purpose of expository writing is to explain, describe, give information and inform. There are 4 things that describe its definition. You have to learn. I repeat it again. To explain, describe, give information and to inform something. To inform what? When you buy a mobile phone from the market, you got a manual, a booklet with it. How to functionalize that mobile, how to deal with this mobile phone. Everything is written in that manual, any piece of booklet. तो आप जब मोबाइल खरीदते हैं तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि इसके अंदर मैनुअल्स है, उस पे लिखा हुआ है कि आपने इस मोबाइल फोन को इस तरह से ऑपरेट करना है. तो इसीलिए यू गॉट एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. Dear student, the basic purpose of expository writing is not to entertain and persuade the things, to attract the people. The basic purpose is not to entertain and to attract the people about something. Its main purpose is to educate and clarify them through facts and figures and logically with the rational thinking. Rational thinking means logical, that is reasonable, based on scientific things, not imagination. Dear students, it relies on facts, statistics, examples, and logical steps in order form, in a sequence form, not randomly. Ideas are not scattered in expository writing, but randomly. When we think about some topic, we have so many ideas scattered in our mind. When we write them, we cannot step by step follow the sequence and order of a happening or events that happens that are relevant to the topic. But dear students, after reading expository writing, we have enough knowledge, we have enough techniques to write something in a sequence form, in order form. Dear students, you see textbooks, new articles, instruction manuals and recipes, and even in college school essays that are the best example of expository writing we have gone through in our daily life, in daily routine, in which textbooks are there, new articles are there, instruction manuals that was said by me, recipes are there, and even the college and school essays. What are the goal of expository writing? The basic goal is to teach and clarify the perceptions of something to the people, to the reader, to clarify the things, to inform the things. If means someone has misconceptions about something, your topic can clarify his or her thinking and perception. So, dear students, to achieve a better understanding about a topic, the basic goal and purposes are over there. Things are to avoid are also there. Writer should avoid to show his personal emotion and feeling in the any piece of writing. He should must be biased and based on logic and facts. He should be scientific to gather the ideas and facts about something, to describe the statistics of something. Like in your classroom, a lecturer delivers a lecture. Students do not know about any topic, whatever they are going to study in the classroom. But student teacher delivers a lecture properly, thoroughly to educate them. That is the best example that you can quote in your examination. Teacher teaches step by step. Headings, subheadings, and furthermore headings are over there to explain them in the classroom. Such as you have too many manuals, you have read about it, in which step by step things are elaborated. मिसाल के तौर पर आप कोई चीज नहीं खरीदते हैं तो उस पर लिखा होता है पहले इसको ये वाला बटन दबाएं, फिर ये वाला बटन दबाएं, फिर ये वाला बटन दबाएं, फिर ये करें, फिर ये करें, फिर करें, स्टेप बाय स्टेप इन ऑर्डर फॉर्म लिखा हुआ होता है. Students, writer should must don't take sides and favor. He can't show personal feeling and opinion. He must be factual, rational, logical, and scientific. Thank you so much. Hope so that lesson, that lecture will help you to prepare your exam